Welcome to TidyThink's product information video for 2026 to 27. This particular video will be looking at the teacher planner and teacher plan book. The only difference between these planners is literally just how the weekly spread is laid out. Here you can see the Seeds of Wisdom design on the left and the Aurora Bloom design on the right. With over 200 different styles and designs to choose from, hopefully this video will help you find your perfect planner. As part of our personalisation package, we offer a planner elastic with a pen loop that comes in 5 different colours. If you choose to opt for a spiral over a book-bound planner, we offer the choice of what coil you would like. We have pink, forest green, navy, black, white and even glow in the dark. All of our spiral bound planners come with standard metal corner protectors. You can even get your name printed free of charge on any one of our planners. At this point, it's probably relevant to mention that I am a full-time teacher and set this company up on my own in 2023 solely to give back to teachers, because I believe that every educator, including TAs, should have affordable yet high quality planners. So let's take a look inside. I wouldn't expect you to need any more pages, however the QR contents page allows you to print off any additional pages that you might need. The colour-coded half-term sections are very unique to TidyThink. It allows you to navigate your planner so quickly and without the fuss of planner tabs. This year I added the blank planner contents with page numbers on every page in the planner, again just to support your navigation. To ensure low cost at high quality, I do mention a few educational businesses that I think my customers would really benefit from. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out at jessica@tidythink.co.uk. Please feel free to pause the video at any point to take a closer look at the pages.